is up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. By the way, happy Saturday. Today we are going to be doing a tutorial of how to make YouTube videos just like your favorite YouTubers. Now, I may not be your favorite YouTuber, but I'm just gonna help you guys out because I've got like some comments on my social media of like how do you make good HD quality videos? Because if you go on the computer and you look for the settings button in the YouTube video, and it shows HD, and like I'm just like, what? And so I did an experiment to myself, and I'm looking on my phone. I'll show you guys what I mean. Be right back. So you guys can see the dance video, right? So if I click the settings at the top, well, on the computer you would click a little gear in the video. If you look for quality, you click that. I have 720p. That's HD quality for truth. That is like really amazing. And so you guys are wondering, how do I do that? So I'm just gonna go ahead and give you guys a little tutorial. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and comment down below what you guys like in the next video. So let's get to this. I do not know why I'm being weird today. Happy Weird Saturday. Also, guys, give me some love and support on my new K-pop/BTS channel. I will link that in the description below. I just posted my first episode of my fan fiction, and I'm super excited to see all the love, and I hope there's no hate. But maybe not a lot of people will show up, but it's okay. But anyways, so I will go ahead and you will go look for the link in the description for the channel, and you guys can check out the fan fiction. It is amazing. I could tell you, but you have to read it. But anyways, also, I will leave my social media in the link in the description because you guys can see behind the scenes of each video. Like I post on Snapchat like 3 times a week sometimes. Yeah. So I'm sorry I'm advertising myself, but I don't know. I just love doing YouTube. So the truth is I copy a lot of my YouTubers. So yeah. So let's just get started. Wow, I didn't realize it at first. It is like 2 minutes already. All right. So, so to basically vlog on a YouTube channel, you don't have to get an expensive camera like those YouTubers do, like Shane Dawson or Lauren DIY or I'm gonna give another example, Casey Neistat. You don't have to get an expensive camera because that's too expensive. People can't pay for that these days. All you need is this little thing. The thing that you carry in your pocket, the thing you can call, the thing you can text your friends with, the thing that comes around with you everywhere. Your cell phone. Or if you do not have a cell phone, a tablet. And if not a tablet, your own personal computer. I will show you in another video of how to do a YouTube video on a computer because as you can see, I'm doing it right now. So if you're going to do it on a cell phone, I would suggest that you go on the regular cell phone's camera app and you just take a video. And when a tip is, do not hold the camera like this, like you know how you would take a picture like this. You gotta hold it sideways. If you do not hold it sideways, the video is gonna turn out something like this. It's gonna be like kind of like a square instead of like a rectangle. So on top of that, when you take a picture in portrait mode, this is landscape. I don't remember portrait mode. This is portrait, and this is landscape. When you take a picture or a video in portrait mode, it only captures like just me. So right now, you can see my body right here. This right. That's the only thing it's going to capture. But if you turn it sideways, it'll capture the background. Like if you're at the Eiffel Tower, then you will take a video of upwards. But if it's not, then I would suggest that you use your cell phone like this and you vlog like that. And also get a pop socket, invest in one, because if you do not, you are going to be wiggling and people are going to be like, stop wiggling the camera, it's really annoying. So since I gotten used to holding my phone like this because I do vlog almost every day, except I don't post it, I just practice. I gotten used to it, so now I don't need a pop socket. But if you are a beginner, please invest in a pop socket. Anyways, so if you want to film underwater, I would suggest getting like a GoPro camera or a one of these cameras. This is an AXO camera that I use. And to take responsibility of the camera, you must have like an adapter. An adapter is like the SD card that will keep your videos on the camera. So when you transfer it to your computer, you can post it on YouTube. So I would suggest filming underwater videos, or if you're going camping, or if you're going like if you're doing something really dangerous, or if you're gonna do something that has to involve something where invest in a GoPro camera. This is not actually GoPro. Let me show you guys. See, it says Akinso. And so this is not actually a GoPro, but this camera was only $60 for it. And I got delivered, it was delivered 2 weeks after I ordered it online. So I would suggest getting a camera. But if you want, I wouldn't take the risk because I took the risk and I broke my phone. I do not know because I also had a virus on my phone, so I don't know. So I would also use my cell phone in a plastic bag zipped tight, but I don't think that works a lot. If you go in deeper water, your phone's gonna break. That's what I did. So I would suggest if you want to text your friends while you're in the water, you can use the plastic bag, but please do not go underwater with the plastic bag with your phone because then you will break your phone. Yeah. So the final thing is I have an app on my phone and on all my devices that I have here. I use the app to edit my videos. Now this app is actually called Vlogit. So it's this one right here. I'm going to show you guys right here. Vlogit. You see it? Oop, and something popped up on my phone. Anyway, so it's this app right here. Oops. Yes, this app right here with the arrow. It's like this one. Yes, this one. I use the app. It's basically free. You can explore as a guest and you can edit your videos, or if you want to create an account, you can. I explored as a guest when I did the beach video, and it still work. And these are some of the videos that I edit on here. And it's easy, it's useful, and the transitions are good. But if you want to add your own music, you just download your music and then you can put it on here. But I use the music that they have here. And so then you just click library, then you look for the video that you filmed, and then you type on all the videos. And I'll give you another tutorial, I think, in a couple of hours. I don't know. I might give you a tutorial of how to use the Vlogit app because it will help you guys a lot. Anyways, so if you guys want that tutorial, please comment down below. Anyways, so thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. A number one tip every YouTuber does is do not shake the camera. I'm just saying, because like my mom hates when YouTubers or people who vlog on YouTube, they do this all the time, and it's kind of annoying. So I would suggest just please invest in a pop socket. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to stay tuned in the next video of how to use the Vlogit app, and I may start a series of how to start a YouTube channel. That might actually be something that I can do. So make sure to stay tuned for that. So I'll see you guys in the Vlogit episode. Bye.